Early June evenings, 2021, Arcturus, with the constellation Boötes, is high in the south as evening twilight ends. The constellation seems to follow or chase the Big Bear westward. Most people recognize the body and tail of the bear as the Big Dipper. Photo caption, 2021, June, Arcturus and Boötes are high in the south at the end of evening twilight. Corona Borealis is to the upper left of Arcturus. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Step outside and look southward at the end of evening twilight during early June. That's about 10:30 p.m. CDT in Chicago. In regions farther west in a time zone, the minute hand of a clock could be turning toward midnight. For example, in North Platte, Nebraska, evening twilight ends at 11:20 p.m. CDT on June 7. The bright topaz star Arcturus, over 2/3 of the way up in the south, is at the meridian. The meridian is the imaginary line in the sky that divides the rising stars from the setting stars. When a star is precisely south, we say that it is at the meridian or on the meridian. When the sun is on the meridian, the time is local noon. Arcturus is the brightest star in the northern half of the sky, noticeably brighter than Vega. It has a luminosity of 200 suns at a distance of less than 40 light years. The name is thought to be derived from Arctus, meaning bear. The full name is thought to mean bear guard. The star belongs to Boötes, the herdsman or plowman. Peter Lum, in The Stars in Our Heaven, stated that the name means ox driver, p. 73. The pattern resembles a traditional kite shape. Drawings show Boötes with a sickle and a club. Boötes seems to be chasing the Big Bear westward. Find the Big Dipper pattern, the brightest 7 stars in the bear, to the upper right of the herdsman. Gemma, the brightest star of Corona Borealis, is about 20 degrees to the upper left of Arcturus. The northern crown appears as a broken circle. Globular clusters are inherently beautiful objects, but the subject of this NASA/ESA Hubble Space Telescope image, Messier 3, is commonly acknowledged to be one of the most beautiful of them all. NASA/ESA photo. With the moon in the morning sky, a darker sky is ready for a detailed inspection. Messier 3, NGC 5272, is a globular star cluster just beyond the limit of eyesight in Canes Venatici, the hunting dogs 11.9 degrees to the upper right of Arcturus. The cluster is at least 1/3 of the moon's apparent diameter. Use a binocular or small telescope at low power to see it. In the Messier album, Malus described the view through a telescope, a very remarkable cluster, extremely bright and very large, p. 39. Take a look southward during early June. The moon returns to the evening on June 11, appearing near evening star Venus. View the constellation and try to locate the star cluster before the moon brightens near mid-month. Articles and summaries. Venus as an evening star. Venus evening star, summary Mars during 2021, summary planets during June 2021. 2021, June 5, early June morning planets. 2021, June, with a crescent moon in the eastern sky, bright Jupiter and Saturn are in the southern sky. Saturn is retrograding in Capricornus, while Jupiter begins to slow its eastward progress in Aquarius. 2021, June 1 to June 7, evening star Venus and Mars. June 1 to June 7, 2021, evening star Venus shines in the western sky after sunset. Mars is over 20 degrees to the upper left of Venus during this week. Venus cuts the gap to Mars during the month. Use a binocular to watch Venus pass a star cluster and Mars move eastward in the Pollux region. 2021, June 3 to 8, morning crescents. June 3 to June 8, 2021, each morning before sunrise, look eastward for the waning crescent moon. Each morning the moon is farther eastward and lower in the sky, while the phase wanes to a thin crescent. 2021, May 31, goodbye, Mercury. May 31, 2021, the planet parade is cut to 4 bright participants as Mercury departs the evening sky after tonight's final appearance. Goodbye, Mercury. Until it appears in the morning sky during early summer. This morning the moon is near Saturn and Jupiter in the southeastern sky. Brilliant evening star Venus, dim Mercury, and Mars are in the evening sky. 2021, May 29, evening star Venus, Mercury, Mars. May 30, 2021, brilliant evening star shines from low in the west-northwest after sunset. Through a binocular locate Mercury, 2.5 degrees to the lower right of Venus. Mercury is quickly departing the evening sky. Mars is higher in the sky, 5.3 degrees to the lower left of Pollux.